right, we fly to San Francisco. We're sitting in Denver, and we're getting ready to go. And then tomorrow we'll be in San Francisco. Tonight we'll be in San Francisco.
Tonight San Francisco, tomorrow Tahiti.
And we'll let you know what's going on there. Good morning. We're here in San Francisco, waking up to a little bit of haze in the sky today because of the wildfires. We're staying at this Marriott waterfront hotel. It's not that bad. The rooms are nice. The only problem that we had was they had wine in a can for $15 a can. So we walked across the street here to a lobster place last night and had a couple drinks and relaxed a little bit. We're in San Francisco at New England Lobster. Only place open around us right now.
We weren't aware that San Francisco was at a stay-at-home order, so that's fun.
Yeah, and I wasn't going to pay $10 a beer for the hotel beer and $15 for a can of wine. But we're flying out tomorrow morning.
To Tahiti.
And everything will be great. See ya. Bye. Then went to a great little steakhouse in San Mateo, and it was fun. We're on the hotel shuttle going to the airport right now. Getting there about 3 hours early just to see what's going to happen. All right. Talk to you guys later on. Bye. So we're about halfway through. We're in lights out right now, so all the windows are darkened. And we just kind of woke up. Well, we watched a movie, and now we're just kind of waking up and trying to figure out what we're going to do for the next 4 hours.
Did you show them the flight map?
Yeah. Oh, you want to see the flight map? Hold on.
There's Hawaii.
Yeah. There.
4 more hours.
4 more hours, and we're in Pompeii.
Pompeii. I don't know.
We're closer to Bora Bora than we are right now. All right. We are here in Tahiti. So it wasn't that bad of a flight, actually. We didn't sleep at all.
We didn't.
We have to sleep tonight. All right.
Exactly.
See ya. Bye. Good morning, y'all. It is about 4:30, 5 o'clock here in Pompeii. We stayed at a little hotel. It was clean. It was nice. I would suggest it if you're just doing a little layover and then catching a flight the next day. People were really nice and good. The airport's right there. It does cost $20 for a cab over here and a cab back, but it's well worth it. This is one of the more inexpensive hotels that we found. All right, here we are sitting in the Pompeii airport. Pompeii airport, getting ready to fly off to Bora Bora. It's been a long morning. We got here way early, and we're glad we did. It's been a little bit. Gonna take a nap.
The flight from Tahiti to Bora Bora is only about 50 minutes. You'll board the back side of the plane, and you want to ensure you get the left-hand side to get the best views possible. It is absolutely amazing.
It's beautiful.
Upon Upon arrival at Bora Bora, you will be greeted and directed to your hotel's ferry, where your luggage will be waiting for you on board. Then sail away to your dream resort. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, Traveling Franklin style.